everybody, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video showing you guys how to make your very own Harry Potter wand. It doesn't necessarily have to be like Harry Potter. This one's not really too much Harry Potter, but it's kind of inspired by them. So that is why it is named Harry Potter in the title. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this. There's tons of videos on YouTube on how to make different types of wands, but I just wanted to do a video showing you me making it and what I used and everything if you guys would like to try it at home. I didn't really have to pay for anything. I had everything at home already. Sorry I haven't been making videos on this channel lately. I've been in a huge reading slump and I haven't really been reading much, so when I'm not reading, I can't really make videos because there's nothing for me to really make videos on. So like I said, I just do this channel for fun. My main focus on YouTube is of course my main channel, but I do this channel just for the fun of it. I don't do it to make money. I just do it because I enjoy talking about books. But like I said, I haven't been reading, but I wanted to do a video on how to make a Harry Potter one because I've been wanting to make one for a while and I am really happy with how this one came out. I did make another one, but I don't really like it as much, and this one looks more like Harry Potter-ish. So yeah, here is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the video. The thing you're going to need is some real sticks from outside or some sticks that you can buy at a craft store. First thing I'm gonna do is look for sticks in my backyard. I don't think that we have very many, and there's a lot of bugs back here. I've got a little one right here. That one may be a little too small. I'm looking for one that'll be a little bit bigger. This one may work. I think both of these will work pretty good. Next is optional. You're going to need some acrylic paint and paint brushes to paint the wands. Then for the top of my wand, I got some crystals to put at the very top. Each crystal has its own meaning and a lot of witches use that in real life. A hot glue gun and tons of glue sticks. Then any decorations that you want to use, and I also have a pocket knife to cut my sticks. The first thing I did was I took the pocket knife and I started to cut off all of that dead wood that was around the sticks. You don't have to do this, but this is just something that I wanted to do. And it did break in half, but eventually I just glued it back together, so you may want to get a stick that's a little bit sturdier than mine. And like I said before, you don't need to use real sticks from outside, it just makes it more realistic with the real wood, but you can buy just normal sticks at any craft store. Now the hot glue comes into play. So what I did was I covered the entire stick with hot glue, and make sure to have patience when doing this because it does take a little bit for the hot glue to dry. And then I just started taking a lot of clumps of hot glue and I just started making different types of textures. Later we'll be painting over this hot glue, so on Harry Potter wands you can see that there's different like handles and different bumps and lumps and everything. So kind of just make it your own. You can just glue it straight down if you want to. Next, I decided to take my crystal and hot glue it to the top. This did take a little bit and some patience, so if you guys are doing the same thing, just make sure that you're holding it for a while. And if you have any other decorations that you'd like to add before the paint, now's the time to do it. Next, I took my brown acrylic paint. You can use any color that you want. I use navy blue on the other one. And you want to paint the entire wand. I recommend doing one side at a time so your hands don't get super messy like mine and you get paint everywhere. But I did a couple layers. I did about 3 or 4 layers and that ended up being enough. After the paint dry, I took the embroidery thread and I made like a little handle so I'm not holding on directly to the paint whenever I do use my wand. I did that on both, and then I also took some glitter paint and put it in certain areas just to add a little bit of sparkle. And here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you tried this out yourself, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have the link down below, and show me what your wand looks like. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!